for foods that will stop a cough in seconds. 1. Cloves. These tiny powerhouses pack a punch with their antimicrobial properties. Just chew on a whole clove or add ground cloves to your tea for instant relief. Next, the golden elixir honey. This sweet nectar coats your throat, soothing irritation and suppressing coughs. A spoonful of honey can work wonders in seconds. Third on our list is ginger. This spicy root is a natural anti-inflammatory that can calm your cough reflex. Chew on a slice of fresh ginger or sip on some ginger tea for quick results. Last but not least, peppermint. Its menthol content acts as a natural decongestant and cough suppressant. Brew a cup of peppermint tea or suck on a peppermint candy for instant relief. But here's the ultimate cough-busting secret. Combine all 4 ingredients in warm water for maximum effectiveness. This powerful concoction will have you breathing easy in no time. If you want to see more videos like this, comment "I need more."